Hello everybody, welcome back to Strands YouTube channel. Today we have the spring is incoming in Sweden, new haircut and new massive project. Maybe we have taken us a little bit water over the head to be ready with this. When we started, we thought it should be pretty smooth and easy to make a Toyota Hilux to become something extra. I bought a white one and thought it was easy to paint it. It was not that easy, so we had to repaint the whole car. Here is the result 1 month later. We have an all black Hilux ready to get pimped. We have a tight deadline because today is the 25th of April and it needs to be ready to leave us the 5th of June down to the 4x4 Abenteuer Allrad fair in Bad Kissingen. Yeah, where to start? We need to tear apart everything because we have also decided that we're going to change everything on this one, beside the engine basically. Give us your ideas, your comments. Tell us down below and follow this project because we're going to release several videos in the next coming weeks for you to follow how is the project going. We will have a totally new set of bumper on this one. It will also be painted, of course, to make it a bit extra tricky. We will have the newest suspension is the name for that. It will be really cool to have to see. We're going to have a roof plateau or roof bracket, basket, what do you call it, on the top, full with lighting. We're going to have 4 driving lights in the front. We're going to have the cubes. We're going to have a LED bar. We're going to have side steps with the light inside, and we're going to control everything also with our wireless control system and cruise light strobe control. Please join us. Give us more thumbs up so we know that you like what we do. See you soon. See you again.